Hello everybody and welcome to Excel tutorial series, and in this video we are going to be learning how to change case in Excel. So now let's suppose you want to change the lowercase to upper or maybe the uppercase to lower. In this video we are going to be covering every single step. So let's say we have this set of lowercase data, and in here we have Alex, Smith, Jenny and Daniel, and I want these to be changed to uppercase. So what you can do is, let's say in this empty cell we're going to be using a function. So type in here is equal to, we want to change it to uppercase, so we're going to be typing here upper, and after that bracket start, and in here we are going to be clicking on the particular cell that we want to be capitalized or changed into uppercase. Let's say I want to change Alex. Click on that cell and close your bracket, and we are done with the function. Now you need to simply press enter on your keyboard. Here, as you can see, our text is now changed to uppercase. Similarly, if you want to do this for entire set of data, you can simply use the quick fill handle and drag all the way to the bottom, and here you will be able to see that all of our names are changed into lowercase. Now let's say we have uppercase and we want to change it to lower. You can repeat the same exact process. Just simply type in here is equal to and lower and select the cell that you want to change to lowercase. Let's say Alex. Close your bracket, press enter on your keyboard, and now it is changed back to lowercase. Similarly, you can use your quick fill handle to apply it to all of the data, and you can see it is changed really easily. So that's how you can change case in Excel, and I really hope this video was helpful and you learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.